So the question is how to change Instagram username font style. The answer is you cannot change the font style of your Instagram username because Instagram does not allow it. However, you can change the font style of your name. For that, just open any browser on your smartphone. I'm going with Brave. You can choose Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whatever you want. Now just go on the search bar and type here fontgenerator.cool. Go on this website and here type the name you want to be stylish. Alright, I'm going to type my username, and as you can see, different type of text font are appearing. You can choose whatever you want. I'm going with this one. Just click on the text and the text will be copied. Now go back again on Instagram. Alright, now here click on edit profile. Go to name and paste the name over here. After that, just click on confirm and click on change name and you will be good to go. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.